Hey surveys, welcome back to K-Popsicles. I'm Paige, and we are back, guys, making our way through our huge list of new comebacks and new releases. As always, we have another 4-in-1 video for you guys, and we are super excited for this. Starting it off with our boys ONEUS and their song Grenade. Super excited. If you guys have been here with, for a long time, can't talk, you guys know that we absolutely adore ONEUS, and so I'm very excited to see what Grenade has in store. Yeah, because this is only the 4 of them with Soho in the military. Yes, I was just like, wait, I had to remember time frame. Because, why not? It's fitting, I guess. And then after that, we have 2 songs from our boys, JNJM from NCT, because they did their unit, and I'm not ready for that. Both of them are my biases in Dream, and I'm not gonna be okay with it. Girl, you know how hard it was trying to avoid spoilers, but I have seen clips that they did, like, edits on TikToks and things like that of them, and I'm not okay. And that was just of, like, the teasers. And I'm like, why? Why are we doing this? Why did you do this to me? But anyway. So, I'm prepared to die in those. And then we're gonna finish it up with our boys 8-Turn and their song Bruise. Because we love 8-Turn. It's been a minute. I actually recently just checked out their song Electric Heart. That was really good. I thought it was gonna be kind of a sad bop, but then it became like a banger. And I was like, okay, I'm here for it. Yeah, kind of. It started off kind of soft, but then it, like, got hype. I was like, okay, I'm here for this. So yeah, we really like 8-Turn as well. So excited to dive back into them. But before we jump into all of these, we're going to leave a link to our Patreon down below in the description box, so you can check us out. We do live stages, drum reactions, variety shows, dance practices. You can join our Discord. Basically, we can do here on YouTube. We also post free videos over there for you as a Patreon channel, because we're not going to make you pay for things for free. That's just stupid. Speaking of our Patreon, we're currently watching Run BTS, The Isaacs, Produce 48, got Someone's Heart Carry Season 3. I have my own segment called Pints, Art Dramas my own. I am currently watching Link Eat Love Kill. I will be starting the Jewel of Section E, which is a Filipino drama, and I have recently started Universe League. We also have movie reactions, album reviews, concert reactions, so much fun content going on over there, and a ton more content coming. And if you follow us over on Twitter, handle be on screen. You post every single day what videos dropping, saves, and steps we're doing here on our channel. Alright, are you ready? I'm so excited. For those of you who have not seen any of our ONEUS content, by the way, our bias Lido. We share him. Originally, I had Ito and Raven as my 2 biases, then Raven left, so Ito has been my sole bias, but let's be honest, Hwanwoong attacks quite a bit. The whole group of problems. You do have a little bit of a break since he's not here to hurt with his vocals to, yelling at you. But no, I don't get a break because I have Ito and Hwanwoong. And then, like I said, the whole group of problems, but those 2 are definitely my biggest issues, so yay! Also, there are no captions on this video, unfortunately. That's okay. Life of an international stand happens to us literally all the time. Plus, pretty much the last, 10 comebacks from ONEUS have had no captions on any of their videos, so I'm not that surprised. I say 10 because I'm throwing out a number. It has not been that many, but you know what I mean. It's been quite a few. Here we go, ONEUS with Grenade.
Freaking grenade.
Oh.
I'm a freaking grenade.
Ooh, Connie. They went full hip hop. Hwanwoong chill. Loving the Korean traditional type outfits. Ooh, Connie. Ooh. He looks so good. Ito is always with his arms out. The man does not own sleeves. True. I love these leather outfits. Ito, stop it. Ooh. Xion. Don't look at me like that, Connie. He looked us up and down and said, for real. Also, I think I just realized that Hwanwoong is wearing chaps. I just noticed it. I thought they were pants. I'm like, no, those are chaps. Oh. Connie, chill. This is Connie's era for me, like. You know. I like how they dropped everything out and came back in. Bridge. Oh. Jesus, Connie. Oh no, Xian's crying. That Hwanwoong's on fire? What just happened? Right, I'm like, first Ito turns to sand, then Connie's just like, oh god, and then Xian's crying about it, and then Hwanwoong said, Fwah! And I'm like, wait, what? What just happened? How did we get here? Ugh. I liked it. I mean, even their last comeback that we checked out, shit, now I can't remember the name of it. Had a little bit more of it, like, really hip-hop feel. I feel like their last two comebacks have been very hip-hop. Like, vibes, you know? I literally cannot think of the last comeback that we checked out. Brain not computing. But no, I really liked that one. And like I said, it's definitely Connie's era for me. Like, he was just, like, a lot. Oh, I think it was X. Yeah, I think it was X. Okie dokie. So now... that little trailer, I saw clips of the trailer, and it was a lot. I'm not ready for this game. They're trying to kill me, I swear. Do they have a song called Sexier? Because this is a playlist, but I'm like... Do they have... That's dangerous if they have a song called Sexier. God bless you. No, so that's why I'm like, I'm not gonna worry about it. It does look fluffy, but at the same time, I don't trust it. Yeah, I don't trust. Jenna and Jamin, guys. Come on. Do you think it's gonna stay fluffy? I don't think so. Neither one of them is fluffy for more than 5 seconds, let's be honest. Good lord. Trying to find my inner peace before it is completely destroyed. Hi, Link. You cutie. Alright. He is a sleepy boy. No, you tired him out very much on that walk. He said I had too much, and now I need to sleep everything away. The zoomies are always fun to watch. No, no. Alrighty. As I said before, guys, both of them are my biases, so I will have no chance of rest in this video whatsoever, so. If I die, Kate will be my witness here, along with you guys, and Kate, you'll have to... You get my K-pop albums, you'll have to take over the channel, you'll have to, you know... You'll build a house just decorated and, like, in honor of Paige, and just have, like, me. Oh my god. I died for nothing. I will haunt you. I hope you know that. I will haunt your ass. Alright, here is NCT JNJM with Both Sides. Here we go. I'm so scared. Right.
This girl came up to me. She wanted a photo. She asked me, which one is your best?
Shut up, Jamin.
I told her it's both sides.
Shut up, Jamin. Not the vibe I thought we were gonna get. Ooh. Jamin. Wow, the lyrics. I did not expect that lyric from Ditto, just saying. I don't know anymore. Yeah, but I'm like, it makes sense for their personalities. A little bit. Damn. Me. Oh, why? 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 No, there was no reason. Not the umbrella. He's Porsche. Not the absinthe. Oh, the suit look. I need you both to chill. Malfunction. God damn, they look good. Yes. Oh no. I can't stand them. I hate them so much. They were flattened. Not flat Stanley. Oh my god. I can't. I was actually not expecting that vibe, to be honest. Like it makes sense, honestly, with their personalities. It does make sense. But at the same time, I was not expecting that after the trailers that I saw, like, the concept films and things. I was not ready for that vibe. But, no. And that one line that Jeno said, I was like, excuse me? Did you write that line, sir? Because if you did, damn. About his nose and slide right now. I was like, wait, what? Excuse me? Y'all. And Jamin there was no need. There was no need for him to be shirtless. Other than to hurt us. Yeah. I am one of those people. And then freaking Jenna comes on over umbrella, like he's in a freaking K-drama. I'm like, stop this. No. Looking like our boy, Sunjay from Lovely Runner. I'm like, stop. I can't. Today has been a day for Byung-suk, let me tell you. He's been compared to like 6 different groups today. Like, it's crazy. Oh my god. Whew. Breathe. So, yes, this one. I'm really excited because it came out like 2 weeks ago. Pause. Yes, because this is from their show Wind Up. They have like a bromance K-drama thing that they did. I don't like bromance by like they were friends in the drama and like, but everybody was yeah, they were roommates. Everybody was shipping them, let's be honest. We've all been shipping them since day one anyway. No Min is real. No, I love them. I've been wanting to watch their drama. It's a short drama and I can't remember what channel or like where it was that you could find it. But I think it's also called Wind Up. But yeah, it's like a sports drama with the two of them, and I'm like, alright, so this is the next one up for NCT JNJM. Unfortunately, there are no captions, so that's okay. Life in Understand happens all the time. And this is the Wind Up special video. Let's go. See, this is honestly the vibe I kind of expected originally from them. Not the giant bento box, basically. See, and they try to tell us it's bromance. Like, this is literally the plot of every BL ever. Color Rush. Never over it. Share the umbrella! I love it. Yeah. The song was really good too. Jenna looks really good in this drama, like, in this outfit. It's the baseball cats, I'm telling you, every damn time. Not that I already don't love him, but you know what I mean. The baseball caps every time kill me. Well, I think like you gotta learn how to do it for the role. Be like, no, I can't do that. Well, no, I think like his character, like at least from the things I heard about it, like I said, I have not watched it yet. I want to. Is that like he was a really good like baseball star or something like that, but then like he loses. Like he's like in a slump or something like that, and he starts getting like not being able to pitch or whatever. And that's where like Jamin's character comes in, and like he basically helps him get his spark back, I guess. Basically. But it's a bromance. You know. Listen. This show literally, at least from what the music video was showing, all the little clips, and from what I've seen and heard, and obviously, you know, as a JNJM lover myself, a No Man lover, I'm like, this is giving the most, like, early stage BL dramas we got back in, like, 2016 era, when it was, like, social distancing, but, like, we're a couple, and then it's like, a smush kiss, like not an actual kiss, and it was not till the end, or it's, a kiss that's by angles only. Like, you don't actually get an actual kiss. Like, that's literally the vibe of this drama. Like, if it was an actual BL. Like, that's literally what it was giving. I'm here for it, not gonna lie. Yeah. But no, that's literally kind of, like, how, when I heard about the drama, what some of the stuff I've seen, that's kind of what it was giving to me. But no, this song, like I said, this vibe is honestly much more what I kind of was expecting from JNJM than what Both Sides was. And then on top of that, like I said, the trailer completely throws you off, because that is not the vibe at all that you get from either one of those songs. Like, granted, the one was for, like, an OST type thing. The other one is, like, their actual stuff. And I'm like, I haven't heard the rest of the songs on their album. Maybe one of those will fit kind of what the trailer was giving. But, like, if you watched any of the teaser clips for JNJM, like, it was giving very dark. Like, one is, like, the strict kind of perfectionist Jeno. And then, like, you have Jamin, who's a little bit more chaotic. But they're both, like, very dark. It's giving, like, spy. Like, they're fighting each other. It was weird. And I was like, I'm intrigued. Literally. And everybody was like, what is this energy we're getting? And then all of a sudden, I'm like, we kind of got a little bit of it, but not what I thought we were going to get. Not that I don't like it. I loved it. It's just very, very different from what I kind of was expecting. No, I love Jeno and Jamin. They're amazing, and both songs are really good. Yeah. Hi, Link! Hey, Dodo Poppers! Ah. He's like, give me the snacks. You know, the best part of my day at work is when we get, because we have a dog wash at our job, and so we get puppies that come in for dog wash all the time, so we get to sit there and pet all the puppers that come through, and it's awesome. It's the highlight of our day. And a lot of times we have like a little jar of free treats, and so we're like, can we give them a treat? And then, like, if they let us, we're like, yes. So I get to give doggies treats all the time, and they're just so cute. The other day we had this cute little German Shepherd puppy come through, guys, and it was the cutest thing ever. His little floppy ears. I couldn't help it. Pause. But yeah. It's giving cult energy. It also is giving very AI. Wait, what was that off to the side? Oh, Pow dropped another one a month ago. TNX 2 months ago. Maybe. Interesting. Anyway, moving on from JNJM, we're heading into our boys' 8 turn. We love them so much. My bias, I should say biases at this point, are Myungho and Jaehoon. And then my biggest wreckers are definitely Kyungmin and Yunsung. But I also have a really big issue with Minho. Yeah. Especially after Road to Kingdom. Road to Kingdom, he got both of us at that point. He was just like, yeah. We're like, damn it. Alright, let's get into 8 turn with Bruise. Defy the order, even though shadow turn into fire. Oh, we're getting a story! Yeah. Ooh, guitar! Myungho with the red hair? Ooh. Damn. Dude. Come in. Damn. I love this vibe. I feel like we're missing somebody. We are missing somebody. Oh, there he is. I was like, where's Yunsa? No, that's... I thought I found him. I could be wrong now. I'm blind. No, he's there. Okay. Ignore me. Ooh. The vocals on this are amazing. Ooh. Go off, Myoko. Jeez. Yes. On fire. Oh. Yeah, there's like only 7 here. I feel like Yunsung was not in the dance. He might have been injured. He was in the video. I need to Google. I need to Google. Google telling me everything. That song was absolutely amazing. That one is probably one of my favorites of theirs. Maybe. That would actually make a lot of sense, not gonna lie. Sorry, one second. Yeah, because Bruise was released in January of this year, so it would make sense if he still, like, they said minimize, so if he, like, continued to minimize at that point. Especially if it was acting up. I was looking to see if there was any specific, like, things just for, like, the actual video, but nothing popped up. Anyway, no, this is definitely one of my favorite 8-turn tracks. Which is surprising, because Excel has been, like, your number one for, like, the longest time now. It's so good. Yeah. Yeah, like, kind of like that youthful, bright, hard, like, even if it's hard-hitting, it's still very youthful energy. But yeah, yeah, this one felt more mature. Even Electric Heart. Yeah, even Electric Heart kind of had that mature vibe. Compared to, like, the other stuff. And I think I talked about it when I watched that one too, that it kind of gave that, like, hopeful, upbeat vibe while still being a little bit more dark than their other stuff. But yeah, no, that it's so good. Plus the whole storyline too. I was invested with whatever was happening in the storyline. And I'm like, holy crap, like, what is going on? And everyone's vocals, even the rapper's vocals, were on point in this song. Like, Yoongu? His vocals were amazing. And then, our youngest, Songho? Songho, right? Sunghan, thank you. I was like, I knew it was an S something. I'd get there eventually. I had the SH. Even his vocals too really caught me off guard because he's mostly a rapper too. I think, like, both of them are, like, the rappers. And I was like, holy shit. But no, everybody's vocals were killing it in this one for me. Yeah, like, wow, just wow. I absolutely love that. So good. It was so good. I love A-Turn. They were another one. When they were on tour, I wanted to go see them because, like, they really, like, we could have got close seats if we wanted to because they were actually, like, not bad price, and, you know, sad to say not many people unfortunately went to see them, but I'm like, we could have got really good seats to go see them, and I wanted to. So next time I see if they're doing a tour, I'm, like, gonna try my hardest to go see them, because I freaking love A-Turn. Anything else you want to say for this one? Alright guys, well, we hope you enjoyed all these videos as much as we did. Seriously, go give all these artists all the love and support. They're absolutely incredible. Love them so, so, so much. We'll leave a link to our Patreon, Instagram, and our Twitter down below in the description box. Hope you can more check us out. Help us out so much. Seriously, support means the absolute world to us. Welcome to all of our new space. Yes, seriously, amazing. We love you. And we'll see you guys next time.